Previously on Like It or Not.
I said a good wife would have known that I needed some pita bread to go with hummus. It's like
A good husband would have said, do you think we need anything for the hummus that you're going to make on the video when we went to the grocery store to pick up ingredients for said hummus?
okay, well, there's a difference here. Okay. Shall I dip?
When I dip, you dip, we dip. It does not look like hummus.
I never had it on chip before.
Complain.
It is weird, the consistency. But the flavor's good.
I mean, maybe I just whipped it too much.
Yeah, but it's good. It tastes like hummus.
Can she make it?
Yeah. See, I think I normally get the red pepper one, which has a little bit different taste. That's why.
Well, I
It's hard to do it.
didn't want red pepper in my blender. Because this recipe
Chip down! Chip down!
This recipe actually called for red pepper, but I didn't.
But she didn't. Oh man.
No, I didn't want to ruin my thing and have everything taste like red pepper. Bad enough it's going to taste like.
So you're
tahini.
saying that your poorly designed blender picks up odors? Is that what I'm hearing? No response?
Oh, he got a response off camera.
Hey, you want some?
No, I don't, because I don't like.
You should taste it. Like, it's not overpowering at all. It's not very strong in the garlic.
I appreciate that, but no.
But just lick it.
No,
Come on, lick it.
no,
Lick it.
negative. Besides, if I licked it, that would be less for you. And she can make it.
Yes, this will probably all get eaten.
I can tell. You want to know how I tell?
Because I've already eaten it.
Because you keep getting more chips and you get big globs of hummus. I will say it was a pain in the butt to make. It was a pain in the butt to make because I had to roast the garlic, which took about 30 minutes. And I had to make the tahini sauce, which took about 15 minutes.
Price-wise, I wonder if it's much of a savings or anything.
I doubt it.
And taste-wise, I mean, is it like better than the store-bought? Meh. It's almost a case of, well, as often as we get it, it's probably not really worth it to.
Well, I mean, okay, we have sesame seeds in the house all the time. We have olive oil in the house all the time. We've got canned chickpeas in the house.
That's the advantage is,
The only
if
thing
you
that
get in the flavor for it, you'd have to go to the store.
no,
But almost everything here keeps. So you can keep it in the house and just make it
and
at
we have
will.
everything except for the only thing that we would have to purchase would be the garlic.
But if you switch to like a jar garlic,
Okay, so but
I wonder if you can get roasted garlic in a jar.
I don't know. Not a sponsored product, but we do love them.
But better than Food Line brand. Food Line was kind of salty.
That's why I like them.
Okay, I'm putting this away because I'm actually like still eating it.
because
It'll be interesting to see once it's cooled down and hardens up a little bit how it changes up.
all right, well, there you have it. Hummus. She can make it. A few things that are coming up will be rice milk, Battle of the Blender smoothie, peanut butter cookies, and maybe cauliflower soup. All right, well, I've got to...
In fact, life hack. You know, nowadays since everything's a life hack, got a little queso left, got crumbs, just dump them in there, stir it up. And now I've saved all my queso and ain't got my fingers dirty.
Wait, I hear ASMR.
You doing this just so you can get that stupid tag?
No. Remember, show us how much you love our content by subscribing to our channel. See you soon.